Here I've got LG K11, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then go to the general, it's the last tab. Now you have to scroll down and open fingerprints and security, and here go a bit lower where you will find unknown sources. So if you truly want to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, like other than Google Play Store, just tap on this switcher. And now confirm that you are taking all the risk on yourself by tapping on allow. And from now on you are able to install applications from some unknown sources different than Google Play Store. And actually that would be all. This is how you can very quickly and easily activate unknown sources in your LG K11. Whenever you would like to switch off this option, just tap on the same switcher as previously. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.